Hi, this is Team 22, and we are going to talk about how we developed our website. First, we set goals in 3 levels. First goal is educating people about the lack of clean water accessibility and the mission of Who Lives. Second goal is help people to empathize with communities affected by the lack of clean water accessibility. Third goal is encouraging people to take action. In this project, it is increasing social media presence and donation. We selected several important metrics to track our goals. For our first goal, percentage of people reached to each part of the website is a good measure. We can infer how much information was delivered to users with this measure. For our second goal, good measure would be click-through rate of CTA button right after emphasized part of the web page. For our third goal, we are going to look at social media post views and likes to infer how many people are exposed to and participated in spreading the Who Lives mission. For donations, how many people donated and CTA button click-through rate should be tracked. Our target audience is women who are empathetic and caring because donation behavior research show that this group donates more frequently and more. Our target generation is Gen Z and millennials because we have more social resources to test our website. We consider digital behavior of Gen Z and millennials in designing our website. We decided how to deliver our message based on research. First, we incorporated emotional appeal in our website. For the target audience, research on donation behavior indicated emotional appeals work well. Yet, we tried to deliver a story that is moderately emotional because inducing strong negative emotion backfires to take action. Taking account of this, we tailored our message in an inspiring and empowering voice. Now, we are going to talk about how we applied these strategies to designing our website.
For the design, we had 4 focuses. First, the color. Second, the positivity in the selection of the photo. Third, the flow of the overall website. And fourth, we utilize Adobe Spark features as much as possible. For the color, we use the same color scheme as Who Lives. This is in order to maintain the identity of the brand. Also, for the photos, we carefully selected so it can give a storytelling of a positive story. First, we have grasped the attention of the users by giving a boy looking right into your eyes. Second, we show Nia, which is I will explain later on in this presentation. And third, we show how collaboration or assistant looks like. And fourth, how the result of the assistant is by showing boys enjoying the water they always needed. So I will get into our website and show how it looks. First, you can see that there's a boy right looking into your eye. This makes the users to be engaged with the website. And then you might notice our tagline, give a drop of hope, which is deriving from the term droplet, water and stuff. As you can see, if the user moves the cursor to the opposite side, there's always the option to donate and also showing the logo of Who Lives. If you scroll down, you can see the story of Nia. And we purposely located the photo of Nia on the left side so the users can engage with Nia first by having an eye contact with Nia like directly. And Nia is an 18-year-old girl, which is around the same age of our target population, Gen Z and the millennials. So they can emphasize more with Nia's stories of having scarce water sources, how that affects her health, how it affects her family, and how it affects her education and many other problems. At the end of Nia's story, we have a donation button again, but phrased differently. Throughout this website, we have phrased the donation button differently, so it can motivate different kind of users at different kind of quotes. As I scroll down, we emphasize that it's not only the story of Nia, and statistically, there's a lot of more people struggling. And we also provide an excellent solution, which is a village drill. After watching the video, the users can also read through how it can improve health, sanitation, increase school attendance, create sustainability jobs. And again, we have another donation button. And if the user feel like they're going to scroll down more, we have a motivational quote saying 1 drop of hope, million lives are changed. And as they go down, they can see how they can get actually involved. The reason why we included this impact mission is because we know our target population by research that they are more likely to be doers than donors. So we will show how they can be actually involved. If that's not the case they wanted, they also can get involved in the social media campaign that we provide here, right here. So in our webpage, we also utilize as much as Adobe Spark features as possible. So here you can see the default features. Within here, I'll give some examples of how we used it. First, we use the slideshow to give a dramatic effect. It's because it has a big image display and has a middle text placement. So here you can see after looking at the solutions and how it works, they give a dramatic quotation of one drop of oatmeal lines of change and having a positive image in the background. As they scroll down, now it shows their action. Another effect that we use is within photos, you can select different styles. One example can be using inline photo style, which gives the user an overall image of how it looks like. So here we give the image of how collaboration looks like, and also we show the logos of social media so the user can intuitively know how they can get involved. Also, we utilize the window style, which shows different parts of the image. For this, here we can show, after showing how they can get actually involved, it shows a quote of our appreciation. And as they scroll down even more, it shows how they can get linked directly to social media of Who Lives on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And at the same time, showing a happy face of two boys enjoying the water they always wanted. So we actually utilize a lot, most of the Adobe features on our main page and also on our social media page. And the social media page will be explained more on our next presenter, Ashley.
Okay, as for our social media strategy, our goal was to implement creative ways to inform our audience about the struggles of obtaining and enabling clean water accessibility for individuals around the world, as well as informing our audience of the mission and initiatives of Who Lives. Another strategy of ours was to get our audience to engage not only with Who Lives, but their own communities as well.
Thank you, Ashley. Moving on, we really wanted to use the following 4 social media platforms of Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter to target varying audiences. Our thought process was that Instagram targets younger adults, Facebook is geared towards older adults, LinkedIn focuses on business professionals and companies, and Twitter concentrates on teenagers. Each of these social media platforms also comes with their own special features that can be maximized in their own ways, as the slide demonstrates.
The way we decided to show the social media activities we were engaging in is through another Adobe website that we made and linked to our original Who Lives page. We named this campaign Who Lives Wednesday. To educate our viewers about the water crisis and the Who Lives Village Drill solution, we created a fact or myth activity that would be posted on social media stories. While viewers are playing a game, they are simultaneously learning about the facts of the water crisis and Who Lives. This approach allows viewers to read the stats and learn about the significance of the issue, along with a call to action donate slide at the end. We also created a Venmo donation board so that our followers can more heavily engage. To use this Venmo board, our users will post the following digital flyer on their social media platforms, along with providing their Venmo username within the post. As users donate to the individual's Venmo, the individual will tag and repost the flyer showing how much their follower donated on their respective water droplet. We also use the Adobe Sparks post feature to create a flyer that donors will receive in their email after making their donation. Along with a thank you email, donors can save this attachment to post on their story, but here's the catch. When posting on their social medias, it will also be their challenge to tag a different user to nominate them to donate as well. We believe a flyer like this will allow an ongoing dissemination of Who Lives and the missions it spreads. This project truly did teach our team so much. Within just one day of posting our Adobe Spark page, we were able to get a proficient amount of views. We have developed skills in storytelling, effective website design, and the art of creativity within Adobe Spark. Thank you so much for providing us with this opportunity. We hope you enjoyed our presentation.